Have you ever stumbled upon a law that just seems completely out of place in our modern world, like not being able to buy certain items on a Sunday, or finding a car dealership closed when you expect it to be open? It might seem puzzling, but there is a fascinating historical reason behind many of these curious rules. Many of these regulations, famously known as blue laws, are indeed deeply rooted in specific religious beliefs. They emerged primarily from the Protestant tradition of Sabbatarianism, which strongly emphasized the sanctity of Sunday as a day of rest and worship. In the early American colonies and for centuries thereafter, various Protestant denominations, particularly the Puritans, Congregationalists, and later some Methodists and Baptists, held a profound conviction that Sunday, the Christian Sabbath, should be observed with strict adherence to religious principles. They interpreted biblical passages as commanding an entire day dedicated to spiritual reflection, church attendance, and rest, explicitly prohibiting worldly labor, commercial activities, and even many forms of recreation. This was not merely a personal spiritual practice, but was seen as a collective societal obligation. Leaders believed that by enacting laws to enforce Sunday observance, they were upholding divine law, promoting public morality, and ensuring the spiritual well-being of the entire community. This robust theological framework, emphasizing a public and legal enforcement of the Sabbath, became the bedrock upon which many of these unique laws were built across various states and municipalities. These deeply held religious convictions directly translated into a complex web of legal restrictions governing daily life. Local ordinances and state statutes were put into place that dictated what could and could not be done on the Sabbath. You would commonly find prohibitions against businesses operating, such as grocery stores, barber shops, and department stores. Beyond commerce, these laws often extended to leisure activities, banning public entertainment like theater performances, sporting events, or even mundane tasks like hanging laundry or engaging in certain types of travel. The intent was to ensure a quiet, reflective, and religiously oriented atmosphere for everyone, whether they were churchgoers or not. Understanding this historical context reveals that blue laws are much more than just quirky old rules. They representing a significant period in American legal history where moral legislation was directly intertwined with religious doctrine. These were essentially sumptuary laws, meaning regulations that controlled personal conduct and consumption, reflecting a societal belief that government played a crucial role in enforcing religious morality. They offer a unique window into the historical fusion of church and state ideals that once shaped the very fabric of daily life for generations. So, the next time you encounter an unexpected restriction related to Sunday activities, whether it is a closed store or a limitation on sales, you will know it is not just an arbitrary custom. You are witnessing a direct legacy of powerful historical religious beliefs that profoundly influenced public life and legal frameworks, providing a truly insightful look into our nation's fascinating and often surprising legal heritage.